Are you trying to figure out how to add a post to your Google business profile? Well, if that's the case, you've made it to the right video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah from MariahMagazine.com, and on this channel, I help simplify things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your online business in a way that works for you. In today's video, we're going to dive into your Google business profile, aka Google My Business, and I'm going to show you really quick how to add a post to your profile so that your users that are finding you on Google can be updated on all of the cool things that you have going on in your business. So let's kick it into the screen share. Okay, so to add a post to your Google business profile, you first have to have a Google business profile. So make sure that that is already set up. That is not what I'm walking through in this tutorial. If you need a tutorial to follow to sign up and set up your Google business profile, you can click a link in the video description box below. So to add a post, you're going to go to business.google.com. I will also put the link to that in the video description box below, and then you can click sign in. Now, I will say, make sure that you are signed in to the right Google account that has access to this Google business profile. Okay, so very important. You are not going to be able to add a post if you're not logging in with the correct Google account. So just double check that. And then when you want to add a post, there's kind of a few ways to do this. So you can see that we're in the back end of the Google Business Profile Manager, and then you can just go to the profile that you want to add an update to, and then you can click this, and then you'll have this box pop up that allows you to drag and drop an image or a video. You can add a description, and then you can add a button here, and then you can preview it before you actually publish it. And then when you're ready to go live, you can click post. You can also click this button right here, and it will allow you to go and view your Google business profile from the front end. So you can get to this space here either by the Google Business Profile Manager, like I just showed you, or you can just go into Google and Google your exact business name, and it should pop up right here if you are signed in to the right Google account. Now, I will say one thing to keep in mind is that you can also add an update from this front end here. So if you click this option, you actually get different options for adding an update that weren't available when you clicked add an update from the Google Business Manager. So that's interesting, but I wanted to show you the different options here. So you can add an update. So just like we already went through before, the images, the videos, the description, add a button, cute, cute. But when you add it from the front end, you're also able to add more specific updates. So you can actually add an offer. So if you're running some kind of sale, you can add an image or video, you can add a title, the start date, the end date, and then you can add more details if you'd like. There's a spot to add a coupon code, terms and conditions, and all of that. So that's going to be really helpful if you're running some kind of promotion. And then if we go back here, we can also add an event. So maybe you're hosting a workshop, or maybe you have some event going on at your business. You can add those details in here. So the image and video of the event title, the start date, the start time, end date, end time, event details, buttons, maybe to buy tickets, sign up, all of that. So the main difference that I see here is that an event would be something that has a start date and time, where an offer would be something that has just a start date and an end date, like I said, maybe a promotional period or something like that. So just make sure that when you are adding an update, you're choosing the right option so that the Google bots understand the context of what kind of update you are adding, so it can show it to users accordingly in Google search results, in AI updates, and all of that fun stuff. Okay, so I just wanted to add a really quick example for one of my clients. So I went in and added information about their event event coming up. So I added a photo, event title, start date, start time, end date, end time, the event details, and then I chose the sign up button and a link for the button. So if we want to see how this is going to look before we publish it, we can go ahead and click preview. Make sure that everything looks good. If it does, you can go ahead and click post. I already posted this, so I'm not going to repost it on their thing, but just a heads up that every post, as of right now, at the time of this recording, every post that you make to your Google business profile has to go through a review time frame. Okay, so sometimes this review only takes a couple minutes, sometimes it can take a couple days. So just keep that in mind when you are going to add updates and posts and events and promotion to your Google business profile. But if we want to see how this looks on the front end, we can scroll down, and then right here, you'll be able to see all of the updates that you make. So you can click on them and you can see all of the previous ones. So as you can see here, 8 minutes ago, this bad boy was already posted. So the review process actually didn't take too much time. So this is how they look after we go ahead and do it. All in all, it's pretty straightforward. Hopefully this tutorial helped you figure out how to add updates, events, promotions, and all of that fun stuff to your Google business profile. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found this video helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. The simple thumbs up does go a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video is helpful, and therefore hopefully pushing it out to more people that also might find it helpful. And if you have any comments or any questions, or if you want more videos that dive into Google business profile settings or optimizations or anything like that, definitely leave me a comment below the video. I use your comments, your feedback, and your questions to inspire new videos on this channel. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video. If you made it to the end of this video and you're just getting started with DIY SEO, but you want some help navigating the process, then definitely consider downloading my free roadmap to successful SEO. The free SEO guide dives into what SEO is, why it's important, and how search engines work, along with my 6-step process to improving your SEO and your rankings. And then finally, I dive into the 3 tasks that you can start doing today to get the results that you want from Google. If you want to go ahead and snag this for yourself, then you can click the link in the video description box below, or you can head over to my website at mariahmagazine.com/roadmap to download your own copy.